Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth and truly an awe-inspiring sight to behold. These magnificent creatures can reach lengths of up to 100 feet and weigh as much as 200 tons, making them larger than even the biggest dinosaurs that roamed the Earth. Their sheer size is only one of the many fascinating aspects of these fascinating creatures, and there is much more to learn about these magnificent animals. Blue whales are found in all the world's oceans, and they feed mainly on small crustaceans called krill. They are baleen whales, meaning they have a comb-like structure in their mouths used to filter food from seawater. They swallow vast quantities of water along with the krill, and then use their baleen to trap the krill while expelling the seawater. This allows them to consume large amounts of food in a single feeding, making them some of the most efficient feeders in the ocean. Another remarkable aspect of blue whales is their communication. These magnificent creatures use a series of low-frequency sounds to communicate with each other, and these sounds can travel for hundreds of miles underwater. This allows them to stay in touch with one another over great distances, which is essential for their survival in the vast and often treacherous oceans. Blue whales are baleen whales, meaning they have a comb-like structure in their mouths used to filter food from seawater. This specialized feeding structure has evolved over time to meet the needs of these massive creatures, allowing them to consume vast quantities of food in a single feeding. The baleen plates in a blue whale's mouth are made of keratin, the same material that makes up human hair and nails. The plates are frayed at the edges and hang down from the roof of the mouth, creating a comb-like structure that is used to filter food from seawater. When a blue whale takes a mouthful of seawater, it closes its mouth, forcing the water out through the baleen plates. The baleen plates trap the krill, which the whale then swallows, while the seawater is expelled. Blue whales are known for their low-frequency sounds that they use to communicate with each other. These sounds can travel for hundreds of miles underwater, allowing blue whales to stay in touch with one another over great distances. This is essential for their survival in the vast and often treacherous oceans. Blue whale vocalizations are made up of a series of complex sounds, including songs, calls, and whistles. The songs of blue whales are particularly remarkable, as they are composed of a series of repeating patterns that can last for several minutes. These songs are thought to serve as a form of communication between individual blue whales, and are unique to each population or subspecies of blue whales. Blue whales are migratory animals, moving from colder, nutrient-rich waters to warmer waters to breed and give birth. This migratory behavior is essential for their survival, as it allows them to take advantage of the different resources available in different parts of the ocean. In colder, nutrient-rich waters, blue whales feed on vast quantities of krill, which are small crustaceans that form the base of the ocean food chain. These waters are also home to large populations of krill, allowing blue whales to feed efficiently and build up the energy and nutrients they need to survive. Blue whales are found in all the world's oceans, making them one of the most widely distributed species of whales. This vast range allows them to take advantage of different resources in different parts of the ocean, and to adapt to a variety of different environmental conditions. In the northern hemisphere, blue whales are found in the North Atlantic and North Pacific Oceans, while in the southern hemisphere they are found in the Southern Ocean. Despite their wide distribution, blue whale populations are still considered to be threatened, with many populations declining as a result of human activities such as hunting and ocean pollution. The population size of blue whales has declined dramatically in recent decades as a result of human activities such as commercial whaling and ocean pollution. During the 20th century, commercial whaling was a major threat to blue whale populations, with thousands of individuals hunted and killed each year. While commercial whaling has been banned in many parts of the world, it still poses a threat to blue whale populations, particularly in areas where illegal hunting still occurs. In addition to hunting, ocean pollution is also a major threat to blue whale populations. Plastic pollution, oil spills, and other forms of pollution can harm blue whales and their food sources, causing serious health problems and reducing their ability to survive. Pollution can also cause physical entanglement, making it difficult for blue whales to move and feed, which can lead to serious injury or death. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has listed blue whales as an endangered species, highlighting the serious threats they face from human activities such as hunting and ocean pollution. Despite being protected by international agreements such as the International Whaling Commission's moratorium on commercial whaling, blue whales continue to face serious threats from both legal and illegal hunting, as well as from accidental entanglement in fishing gear and other ocean debris. Commercial whaling was one of the primary reasons for the decline of blue whale populations in the 20th century, with thousands of individuals hunted and killed each year. While the moratorium on commercial whaling has helped to reduce the threat, illegal hunting still occurs in some parts of the world, further jeopardizing the survival of these magnificent creatures. Despite being protected by international agreements, blue whale populations have not yet fully recovered from historic hunting and other human activities. Estimates of their current numbers range from 10,000 to 25,000 individuals, representing only a fraction of their historic population size. This slow recovery is due to a combination of factors, including ongoing threats from hunting and ocean pollution, as well as the slow reproductive rate of blue whales. Female blue whales give birth to a single calf only once every 2 to 3 years, and the calf must be cared for and protected for several years before it is able to survive on its own. This slow reproductive rate means that it takes a long time for blue whale populations to recover, even when they are protected from direct harm. Blue whale populations are found in distinct populations or subspecies, each with its own unique genetic and vocal characteristics. This diversity is a result of the species' long evolutionary history and adaptation to different ocean habitats and food sources. Scientists have identified at least 4 distinct subspecies of blue whale, each with its own distinct vocal patterns, feeding habits, and migration patterns. For example, the Antarctic blue whale, which is found in the Southern Ocean around Antarctica, feeds primarily on krill and has a unique vocalization that is different from other subspecies of blue whale. Despite their massive size, blue whales are incredibly agile creatures, capable of diving to depths of over 500 meters in search of food. Their long and slender bodies are perfectly adapted for life in the ocean, allowing them to move through the water with ease and maneuver to avoid obstacles and predators. One of the key adaptations that allows blue whales to be such skilled divers is their lungs, which are incredibly flexible and can collapse as the whale descends, preventing injury from the increasing pressure of the deep ocean. They are also able to hold their breath for long periods of time, allowing them to spend extended periods searching for food at depth. Blue whales primarily feed on small organisms such as krill and small fish, which they filter from the water using their huge baleen plates. In order to find these food sources, they must be able to dive to the depths where they are found, often remaining underwater for several minutes at a time.